Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation destination on system map. In the beginning, let's go to navigation on your car's system and next go to menu. Select Add Destination and tap Search. You can also navigate to Home or Work or POIs. Now, type address. Navigate here and start guidance. To stop navigation guidance, let's go to menu and select Cancel Route. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.